Self-discipline is a form of freedom. Freedom from laziness and lethargy, freedom from expectations and the demands of others, freedom from weakness and fear and doubt. Self-discipline allows a leader to feel individuality, inner strength, and talent. Personal mastery means mastering yourself in a way that facilitates your leadership and achieves desired results. Mastering yourself embodies three qualities: clarity of mind, clarity of objectives, and organizing to achieve objectives. First, clarity of mind means a commitment to the truth of current reality. Leaders are relentless in uncovering and are willing to challenge assumptions and standard ways of doing things. Their quest for truth leads to a deeper awareness of themselves and the larger systems and events within they operate. Clarity of mind enables them to deal with reality, which increases the opportunity to achieve desired results. Second, leaders engaged in personal mastery know what's important to them, so their objectives are clear. Clarity of objectives helps leaders focus on the end result, the vision or dream that motivates them and their team or organization. They have a clear vision of the desired future, and their purpose is to achieve that future. One element of personal mastery, then, is the discipline of continually focusing and defining what one wants at the desired future. Third, often there's a large gap between one's vision of the future and the current situation. Organizing to achieve objectives is a way to bridge the discrepancy between current reality and the vision for a better future. The effective leader lets the vision pull reality towards it by recognizing current activities and work towards the vision. The less effective way is to let reality pull the vision downward towards it. This means lowering the vision, such as walking away from a problem or settling for less than what's desired. Leaders with personal mastery learn to accept both the dream and the reality simultaneously and then close the gap by moving towards the dream. Leaders understand that personal mastery involves clarity of mind, clarity of objectives, and an organized system for achieving objectives.